Hello everyone, welcome to STEM Career Talks. Today we have with us Nishank Shah, who is an entrepreneur and founder at Duro Green. He is a mechanical engineer himself from Indus University, and then he went on to study at the Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India in Gandhinagar. So Nishank, let's start the interview by you telling us about this amazing venture that you're working on, that is Duro Green, and how it is solving a social cause.
Yes, so Eurogreen, so basically is a solid waste management company. So it started with the perspective of treating solid waste or wet waste. We have seen a lot of dump sites and all around everywhere. So what we thought was of coming up with a solution where we can process the wet waste which is not being taken care of on immediate basis. There was a smaller solution for dry waste, but wet waste there were very less number of solutions, and which was not prevalent at that point of time. So we came up with a wet waste management system. We started making machines and converting the wet waste into manure. So that we started providing services step by step. We initially initiated with manufacturing of machines, providing it to the clients. Then we started operating those machines to make sure that client uses that machine. So we started providing manpower and services for the same. So to provide an end-to-end solution is the ultimate objective of Eurogreen for the entire solid waste management angle. And we work with majority industries, institutes, colleges, restaurants, and many good corporates also. So we have this collection model where we collect the wet waste and we process it at source also. The vision initially was, to create some difference and, to help people or create systems so that segregation is possible in the entire society or in the world. So that was the initial vision from where we started out. And initially we did waste audits. We identified about different aspects about waste, and that's how it took a lot of time to come up with a solution, a specific solution, and a machine also, where initially we had to work around waste a lot. We interviewed lots of companies. I personally worked into many waste management companies. I used to interview rack pickers. That's how slowly and gradually we could know about the working process and the model. So that was what we did a research initially to identify the nuances and problems in the entire frame of waste management. And then that's how then we started building up other solutions or the best solutions for the people who actually need those kind of solutions. So that was it. Yeah.
Right, that's amazing. And I remember you mentioning once that you also once went into the field actually to IIM when you went to collect like the waste yourself because you wanted to know more about how the process is being going. So you have been into the field and experiencing everything, learning everything, surveying. So I think it's a wonderful way how you have come so far with Eurogreen. So, what advice would you like to give to the students? Because I know students, when they are in colleges, they do want to do something creative, something unique, but they don't know where to start from. So, what would you advise them to think creatively?
Before